Greetings all, we are going to present our final year project Smart Play. We decided to address problems caused by vision-based models and are using smart sensors to achieve efficiency and low computational cost. A system is developed using smart sensors that is capable of controlling game using human gestures. We have developed a game that will receive data from sensors embedded in mobile phones. But what is the impact of smart play on society? Well, the answer to this question is simple. Games and play allow patients to feel encumbered by normal daily pressures, resulting in the ability to more freely express themselves. This fact can help counselors and other mental health professionals to get to the root of patients' disorder, leading to more effective treatment. Game is a viable treatment for mental illness. Key component used is sensor. We have used accelerometer and gyroscope. An accelerometer is a tool that measures proper acceleration, and gyroscope is a device that can measure and maintain orientation and angular velocity of an object.
Now we shall dive into the technical details of the project. We have used machine learning to train our model, and as it is evident from the slide that machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Now we shall discuss the features we have extracted, and for that purpose we have used MATLAB programming language. Extracted features are mean, variance, entropy, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, minimum value, maximum value, peak-to-peak value, correlation, interquartile range, and mean absolute deviation. The output of the code explained is a feature vector which is depicted in the slide. It is very important to check whether the gestures we are collecting are useful or not. For that, we have written a MATLAB code in which we used a nested loop to access the elements inside the feature vector and plotted the waveforms of all data samples to see if gestures have unique waveforms or not. The results were very convincing as depicted in the output waveforms of a random trial of jumping gesture of any user. It is to be noted that we have used figures, plots and subplots to plot the waveforms of accelerometer and gyroscope for all user samples. We then performed classification using Weka tool, which is collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. We performed classification using Naive Bayes, support vector machine, multi-layer perceptron, decision tree, random forest and k-nearest neighbor classifiers. We have the Weka classification results depicting classifiers with higher accuracy, without and with feature extraction. A brief demonstration of the classifiers is also depicted in the slides before Weka output. Finally, based on the results gained via Weka classification, we extracted useful features from previous feature vector. The Excel sheet is depicting the extracted features from previous feature vector.
We have developed a game from scratch in Unity. The game is Endless Runner. This is the final result. When you tap on the screen starts moving. Game receives data from machine learning model and moves left, right, slide and jump. The assets of the game are coins, obstacles, road and sceneries. When character collides with any of the obstacle, replay and quit option appears on the screen.